Applications for interactive game-based learning. The world is changing very fast due to the emergence of technology in our everyday lives. This tremendous change can be noticed in different areas, including education. Students are influenced by the digital era, surrounded by technology and working with a massive amount of digital information on an everyday basis. They are used to interactive environments and fast communication and prefer learning by doing. Students require active learning environments using the possibilities of various technology applications to gain knowledge. They seek more interesting, fun, motivating, and engaging learning experiences. Assume you are in a classroom where the teacher does nothing but stand in front of the board. You're likely to be bored out of your mind, right? And your mind will soon wander off to distant places as you lose interest and concentration. But classroom education does not have to be like this. Using game-based learning in the classroom engages students by involving them directly in the learning process. What is the end result? Improve retention of material learned, increase student engagement, increase attention span, improve concentration, and an overall enjoyable learning experience with few stressful situations. So, what is game-based learning? Game-based learning refers to using computer games as an educational tool or strategy to facilitate learning and engagement. Gaming in the classroom is a fun way to get students engaged and interested in learning. In selecting the best games for the class, you need to put on your mind the following. First, relevant to the lessons and teaching objectives. Obviously, the games you choose to include in the classroom must be relevant to the lessons and teaching objectives. Next is, it must be age appropriate. Meaning, if you are teaching kindergarten class, the games that you will select or use for the class must be appropriate for their age. Lastly, simple to use. The games should be simple to use so that children do not have to look through manuals or watch YouTube tutorials to figure out what the game is about. Effective classroom games are easy, simple, to the point, and enjoyable. Here are some applications and websites for game-based learning. We have Educandy, ABCya, Bluecat, Bamboozle, and Read Along.
Are you looking to create interactive learning games, but have no time to learn how? With Educandy, you can create engaging activities in minutes. Just enter your words or questions and answers, and Educandy turns your content into cool interactive games. Once you've created an activity, a unique code is generated. Simply share that code with your students, and they'll be able to play the game on their own device, in class, at home, or even on the bus on the way to school. You can even embed the games into your own website if you want to. The games you create can be played on individual computers, tablets via the EduCandy app, as well as on the interactive whiteboard. There are 8 types of games you can generate. Create a free account today and start building your bank of resources, or copy and adapt games shared by our community. You create, you share, they play. It's as simple as that. EduCandy, making learning sweeter.
Let's start with EduCandy. So in your Google search bar, you just type EduCandy, and then this is their website. In EduCandy, you create, you share, they play. With EduCandy, you can create interactive learning games in minutes. Just download the EduCandy Studio app and enter the vocabulary or questions and answers, and EduCandy turns your content into cool interactive activities. Once you've created an activity, a unique code is generated. Simply share that code with your students so they can play the game on their own device. Or you can embed the game into your own website. Students can play the games you've created on their own device by visiting the EduCandy website or downloading the EduCandy Play app on their tablet. The games can also be played on the interactive whiteboard. So these are the example activities inside the EduCandy website or application. We have word search, notes and crosses, crosswords, and spell it. They also have anagrams, match up, multiple choice, and memory games. So here I just downloaded the EduCandy Studio app, so I can edit or I can create my own interactive games where I can input my questions and answers. So this is what the EduCandy Studio app looks like. So you just need to create your account and then log in. And then you're ready to go. So here you can create your new activity using words, matching pairs, or quiz questions. So this is free, but you can upgrade to premium. So you can import activity also. So you have a limit of 5 games using this free application. So these are the sample activities that I made. You can check these by searching the EduCandy website or downloading the EduCandy app. Next website is the ABCya, so you just search that on your search bar and then you will see their website. So in here there are different games that you can use in teaching, but you cannot edit here, so you just use their ready-made games. In the ABCya, you can see they have pre-K, grade K, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, and grade 6 plus games. So you just choose what category is appropriate or what level is appropriate to to the learners, and then you choose the games you want to play. So these are the sample games that you can see under the level pre-K. So we have letter tracing with music. We have mm, checking the grammar or the sentence. Also, they have the sound like words, and they also have math. So you just choose what games your learners will play. Next is Bluecat. So level up classroom engagement by using Bluecat. So they're matching action with education to create the ultimate learning experience. Let's start. So I just need to create an account and then log in. So here is what the Bluecat dashboard looks like. So you have the Bluecat create, discover, my sets, favorites, history, homework, play, settings. So you can also upgrade this to plus. So you can see here my sets. So you'll need a question set to host. So you just click create set. You type the title and the description, and you can also add cover image. So you just need to drag and drop or click image gallery, click upload a file, or click upload by URL. So in order to add question, you just need to click add question and then type your question, and then you're going to type 4 choices and then click the right answer. So you can adjust the time limit, the random orderness, and the multiple choice. You can also add image, math, or audio, and then click save. So here I already created 5 questions and I am ready to host this game. So there are different choices or different games that we can use, but I selected this one, racing. So answer questions to race opponents and use power-ups to get to the finish line first. So here we're going to test speed and accuracy. We have player limit, which is 60, and 4+ players suggested. Okay, so you're going to just click host and this game will start. So this is the host view or the creator's view. So in order for the learners to play, they're just going to search play.bluecat.com and then they're going to enter the game ID. So So this is the player's view. So you can see here that he or she is already on the play.bluekit.com and then already entered the game ID. So he or she can read the question you entered, and then there are choices there. The player will just need to click the correct answer. If it is correct, just click anywhere to go next, and then the racing will go on and go on. And after that, uh, the website will show if what place does the learner or the player um, gain. So here, first place. Next is the bamboozle. So 1 million games made by teachers. So just going to search for the topic, and then we have the language featured in all time. So there are a lot of games that you can choose in this website. So example, we have this one. The topic is colors, and this is the game preview. So just need to click play, study, slideshow, or share. Here we have team 1 and team 2. So you just need to click one block, and then the question will show. Example, what color is it? And then the players will answer, and then you just click show answer, and if it is wrong, you click the red one, which is X, oops, and if it is correct, you click the check or OK, or the green one. Next we have read along. So we have lots of reading materials here. We have stories, passages, short stories, sentences that your learners will enjoy reading. So how does this work? Let's see. So here you will use the microphone on your device. So example, the picture that is flashed on the screen is kid. So you're just going to read that, and if it is blue, it means you are correct. If red, you just need to repeat and repeat until you can read that specific word. So this is just easy to use. Learners will enjoy reading with the help of this little girl on the screen. So she will teach the learners or the players how to read, how to pronounce the words that is flashed on the screen. So example, we have here phonics with Kutuki. Animals, so we have catch the cat, clean cat, who ate all that up, and many more other stories or sentences to be read by you. Math and science is also included in read along, so you just need to navigate or explore this website, and I know your children or your learners will enjoy reading with read along. So once again, these are the applications and websites for game-based learning that you can use. We have Educandy, ABCya, Bluekit, Bamboozle, and Read Along. So you just need to search that on your Google search bar and enjoy exploring. Goodbye!